Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Gyatcoin. Ticker symbol is GYAT. Now this is a meme coin on the Solana blockchain that is actually trending in the top 5 on DEX tools and on DEX Screener right now. Very popular token. We're going to go over the information on the Gyat coin and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this is a brand new token, came out about 9 hours ago. And that is when the pool there was created on Raydium. Solana meme coin, you can find it on SolScan. If you're looking for the charts, you can find it on DEX Tools, Bird Eye, DEX Screener. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen over here so you guys can easily find this project. It is at Frankie_Lepenna, and I am going to assume that this is the dev, the creator of this token, or the lead of the project, or both. And they have here a webpage, gyatcoin.net. You can find that linked on DEX Screener. And yeah, so it says, welcome to Gyat, the crypto token that is as bold as Frankie Lepenna's legendary backside, created by the man who's got America's butt and a mind for the future of finance. Gyat is here to turn the crypto world upside down, just like Frankie turns heads. This isn't your average coin. It's a meme-worthy, community-driven, glutes-first revolution. Whether you're here to invest or just love the chaos, Gyat is your ticket to the fun side of crypto. Now, what is Gyat? Well, it's community-focused, become part of the thriving Gyatcoin community, where fun, connection, and engagement take center stage. Innovative and entertaining, explore cryptocurrency with Gyatcoin, where humor and innovation go hand in hand. They have a commitment to transparency, so Gyatcoin is dedicated to full transparency, empowering users with trust and confidence in every step of the way. And at the bottom of their webpage, they have a link to the Twitter there. So there's a buy now button on the webpage that will take you to Phantom. Now you can get a Phantom wallet, a Soulflare wallet, Trust wallet, or MetaMask wallet to get this token if you wanted to get it. And you could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or you could get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would then fund your wallet with Sol. Now you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a central exchange. There's a bunch of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol. You'd go into the dApps. You would find Raydium, and then using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, gyatcoin.net, or you can find it on their Twitter, or you can find it on the SolScan, DEX Tools, DEX Screener, Bird Eye charts. Just make sure you have the right contract address. You would then trade your Sol for the Gyat coin using that contract address. Now, right now, they have 26,270,000 pooled Gyat coins in Raydium, which is equivalent to almost 1,700 pooled Sol. This token was created on pump.fun, which is a a web page for creating Solana meme coins. You could tell because the contract address ends in pump. On DEX Screener, if you scroll all the way down, you can find a quick audit. It says contract verified, no freezable tokens, but then they also have an Instagram and a TikTok listed on the DEX Screener as well. They have been doing a little bit of marketing on DEX Screener. It says marketing boost, 10 lightning bolt ad button there. And this token is up 19,311% in the past 24 hours. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $119.7 million, 209,237 transactions. Token price right now is about 1.52 cents per token. And they have a market cap of about $15 million. And that's also their fully diluted valuation. In Raydium right now, they have a pool of $783,000. And according to DEX Screener, 98.98% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. Now, the Gyatcoin is trending number 2 right now on DEX Tools and trending number 4 on DEX Screener. According to their Soul Scan, 16,656 holders so far. There is 6 decimal places on this token. They started out with a total supply of 1 billion tokens, as tokens do, that were created on pump.fun, and this token is deflationary, so there is a little bit less right now. The current supply is 999,992,681 tokens. On Soul Scan, you could also find a rug check, where you could check a little bit of security on this token here. So on rugcheck.xyz, they have, it shows the top 5 holders, how much they have in their wallets there. So you can see if there's any big whales or anything like that. And we'll check that here in 1 second. And their Twitter, which I'm going to put up in the corner of the screen here, it says, at Frankie _ Lepenna, the official Gyat X page, the meme coin of the century, powered by Frankie. He is from Grand Rapids, Michigan. Has a link to his personal webpage right there, frankieLepenna.net. 9,499 followers, 59 tweets, and he just did a Twitter space recently, 7 hours ago, about the Gyatcoin, and you can listen to him talk about that. A couple tweets down is the contract address on there. It says it's live and trading, and it says he just tweeted out, just locked up 10% of dev supply, and then there's a, looks like maybe, is that another link there? Or is that the same one? No, that's the same one. Okay, so anyways, back to the rug check here. It says risk analysis is good. The Streamflow Vault is on there that he said he locked up 10% of the tokens. That's the biggest holding. And then there's a wallet that has 4.6% of the tokens. Raydium has 2.5% of the tokens, and every other wallet is less than that. So go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.